Assalamu alaikum dear students. Good morning. How are you? Nursery class, open your maths book and open page number 41. Let us learn about number 8. Yes, today you are going to learn about number 8. Let's read the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which number we are going to learn today? Number 8. Dear students, can you count your fingers? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers do you have? 8 fingers. So here, let's see the balls. How many balls are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8 balls. You have to count and color these balls. So let's see next आपने क्या करना है. You have to draw 8 triangles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, triangles. Like this. You'll make 8 triangles over here. So dear students, let's practice making number 8. Let's start from the dot. आपने क्या करना है? You have to make a small circle and then you have to make a big circle. Likewise, you will write or form number 8. Small circle, then a big circle. This is how you will write number 8. So which number you have learned today? Number 8. Trace this and use colors to color, and here you have to draw 8 triangles. Okay, dear students, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Write this number neatly in your copy as well. Have a good day.